1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas!
Yeah.
Everybody's waiting for it.
What?
Everyone has been enjoying the chaotic starts to Vlogmas, and they said they probably would be very shocked if Dad actually ever does say Merry Vlogmas. It's just not right now. But we're in our coats because it's chilly.
Oh, it's weeding. Whatever.
You've started without me.
Well, only because everybody has very much enjoyed the chaotic intros. So
God, it's freezing out there.
yes, it is.
Cold.
It's 15
Yeah.
degrees in here though.
Even you cold.
I am. Oh, God, dear.
Susie's
Right.
shivering.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Have you read any of the comments from
No.
yesterday's? Everyone's very much enjoying having both of you back on camera and the dog. They said it would not be Vlogmas if you said it, so there's incentive.
Yeah.
And Mum, everybody wanted to know where your jumper was from.
I know.
It's actually one that I bought from Sainsbury's
Honesty
years
is the best
ago.
policy.
Yeah.
And I tried it on, and it's not the right colour for me, but you really like it, don't you?
Yeah,
you
and
got
everybody admired it.
But you can tell Mum hasn't knit it because the back of it is plain and the front is the one with the and the sleeves with the interesting stitch. So we're going to work out what that's. I love to say
yeah,
the way I'm
'cause
saying
it
we.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah.
I like the stitch.
Dad's getting excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well, you're gonna have to put your dog down to get the gin.
Right.
Did you enjoy yesterday's gin?
Yes, very much.
That's good.
Very nice. Very nice.
You are keeping the bottles because I think they've
Yes.
good sequin or bead storage.
Oh, right.
I think you pushed the little white bit in.
Right.
I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
Can't really-
Cairo Distillery Company, Finland. Finnish gin.
Well, there you
Elena,
go.
have you ever heard of Cairo?
It's by the dram.
That's the name of the company.
Oh,
They're all
right.
going to be by the dram.
By the dram.
Yeah.
Love it.
That's normally associated with Scotch, isn't it?
Yeah.
By the dram.
Yes.
Okay. So now
We
we
shall
need.
see.
Now. Oh, look, there it is. It's at the top there. So if you could just hold that for
I
me.
can do this.
Above number 2. What have I got there? Ooh, salted caramel.
Oh,
Oh,
she'll be a happy bunny.
yeah. I don't have this one very often because it is, again, not quite a dark chocolate, but yeah, happy with that. Happy with that. So you need to escape, don't you, Mum?
I do. Yes, I have work to do, I'm
Yes.
afraid.
Why? What are you going to do?
Minutes.
Minutes.
Oh,
and,
right. Well,
Oh,
otherwise there'll be an accident.
okay. We all need a thumbnail.
Where's the doglet? Oh,
She's over there. Thumbnail.
that's all right.
Go after Dad's joke. Come on, Mother. Thumbnail.
Oh.
No, you put your thumb over her face.
Oh, I know, look. Look.
Okay, now stay still for a... Yeah. Okay, stay still. Oh, I hope I got something out of that. Good grief. You guys realise that you make editing long.
Impossible.
Put the kettle on,
I will.
please.
Are you ready for some sleuthing?
Oh, it is cold.
It is cold. That's why we've kept our coats on.
Good idea.
So there's number 3.
Right, but we've got to read.
Oh, yes. Storybook. Day 3. 3rd of December. There it is.
Right. Pause this bit.
That's alright. I edit it out.
Lipstick colours.
Lipstick colours.
Mariah Carey.
Lipstick colours and Mariah
Dear
Carey.
wonderful room service.
Oh, there's a map.
Right then.
Okay.
Come on then.
Well, you open door 3 and I'll have a read. Oh wow, it is a very, very
I mean,
fancy
the
suite.
complexity of this, it's fantastic.
Do you like how they've done this, the forced perspective on the floor as well?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, right, so she's got a sticker from everywhere she's been.
Oh, right.
Okay.
Okay, tick them off
Okay.
as I call them out. Right. Oslo, Helsinki, Copenhagen.
Uh-huh.
Is that Vilnius?
Yeah, that's Lithuania, isn't it?
Lithuania. Prague.
Where's Prague? Where's Prague? Where's Prague? Where's Prague? There's Prague.
I think that's Sarajevo.
Yeah, I would say that's Sarajevo.
Yeah.
Is that all of those ones?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a clipboard. That's a lot. I'm getting warm now. Oh, my battery's dying. Okay, hang on. Pause. We'll be back. We're confused, so we're going for our first clue.
Easily confused.
Yes, it doesn't take a lot
No.
to be fair.
You've gone past it, Dawn.
3rd.
Oh, right. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, I forgot.
It would of course be interesting to know the order in which she travelled to the many towns.
Right. Well, let's put it this way.
How are you supposed to know?
Well, they're overlapped, aren't they?
Okay.
Right, so first would be Sarajevo.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
So on the... Okay.
So that's what we think it should be. No, it's the right solution, but we've got it backwards.
And a star, yeah.
So that's number 4.
Yeah, okay.
We got there. And it's showing off our terrible pronunciation of European cities.
Well, we know most of them. Have you finished with me?
Yes.
I have a hot tea, I think.
Yes, I think that's a very good idea because it is chilly in here.
Yeah. See you soon.
Yes. I forgot my caramel, salted caramel. So yes, calendars for day 3 are now complete. Mum and I have been out this morning. We went to Harvey Brown's for, well, I went, like I said, I went and got, I think I've told you this already, haven't I? Let's do it again just in case. So went and had my nails done, had my eyelashes done, no longer Yzma-esque. Mum has then gone into Vision Express to get some new glasses because her prescription has changed dramatically, so she needs to get some new glasses. Then we went to Harvey Brown's for lunch, which I got like some very brief footage of. Trying not to get you into shot. Oh no, there you are. It's okay. We've come to Harvey Brown's for lunch. It's a farm shop, but it's like on another level. All down here, each side was pumpkins at Halloween. It was beautiful. And I was the worst vlogger ever. The food arrived and I was so hungry I just ate it. I had a steak and blue cheese bruschetta, which was delicious. And Mum had a duck and fig salad, which was also very delicious, apparently. But yeah, I was so hungry I just ate it. I didn't film what it looked like, and it did look very beautiful before I cracked into it. And then we've come home and we've done this, and now I have yet more editing to do. That is actually the majority of my life is editing. I spend far more time editing than I would like. I can't afford an editor. That would be something, that's the dream. Getting to the point where I can afford to pay somebody to edit for me would be amazing and free up so much time. I just think of all the sewing projects that I could do. But that's a fairly decent amount of time away, the way that things are going, which is fine. And I do enjoy the challenge of editing. It's not the most fun part of my job, but it is definitely something that I've enjoyed learning more about and trying to get better at, and hopefully it has gotten slightly better as the years have progressed. But that is what I'm going to do this afternoon. I will report back and let you know how my hot chocolate is. I will probably kind of come and say goodbye at the end of the day, because otherwise this is going to be a very abrupt end to Vlogmas day 3. But there will be sewing tomorrow. I should, fingers crossed, I should get the rest of the editing that I wanted to do done today so that I can start on new projects to then be edited tomorrow. I've got the hangout tomorrow as well. You guys are seeing this in the afternoon, so you just had the hangout and then this video will be coming out. So I hope you enjoyed the hangout. Then in the afternoon, like I say, I'm planning on doing some sewing. Anyway, that's enough waffle. That was a lot of waffle. So I hope you've enjoyed the calendars from day 3. That one is making mine and Dad's head scratch a little bit. I'm very grateful for the helpful hints. But we will get there. So yeah, I'm going to stop waffling and I'm going to go do all those things, and I will report back later, let you know how the hot chocolate is, a Chiana update, and how the rest of the day went. I'll see you then. There's a wild Chiana in the background, but I'm going to try my hot chocolate. That is good. I kind of wish they would do it with a darker chocolate base though, but that is good. Yes, Chiana is very happy to see me, and the minute I've walked in she's like, oh, food time. But there are some cats that do prefer to eat when their people are around, so that it feels it's something to do with feeling more secure or something. Anyway, I'm gonna get on with all that editing I waffled about, so let's get that done. It is actually Sunday and I have just been caught in the rain, so my fringe is now gonna do crazy things for the rest of the day. fun times. I had my hot chocolate, showed you Chiana's butt while she was eating, and filmed nothing more yesterday. So I thought I'd come on and finish off the Vlogmas day 3 by saying lots of editing was done. I also finished the end of season 2 of Almost Famous, and now I need to move on to the Librarians. Christian Kane obsession is strong with this one, but I have to pay for it. So I'm going to be sparingly watching that and probably catching up on some Angel as well, because I did say I was going to watch Buffy and Angel again. So yeah, I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it's really raining outside. It's currently 11:07, so the hangout is going to start any minute now. So I'm going to see if I can get this added onto yesterday's Vlogmas so I can start it uploading so that it will be ready for this evening. And then when Mum comes back from church, we are going to do day 4 of Vlogmas with calendars, etc, etc, and hopefully by that time I will have also tidied up the sewing room a little bit, because it is a little bit messy in here. Wish me luck with all of that, and I will see you tomorrow for more Vlogmas. Bye.